Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share my real English learning journey, and this is something very particular, and so I thought I should share my English learning journey because there are so many people that can relate with my journey and they can resonate with me. So that is the reason that I am making this video. I think after a long time I have been shooting this video, so because I have been thinking quite long time to create this video, but I think I was busy somewhere, I was occupied. So and so that was the reason I couldn't no, I was not able to shoot this video. But now finally today I got the chance, so I really wanted to share each and everything, whatever I have gone through in this journey. So this my journey started from fear, hesitation, shyness, under the confident, and little bit of courage. Before jumping into, let me introduce myself. My name is Arshi. I am an enthusiastic learner and keen interested in communication skill, and I really want to improve my communication skill. So that is the reason that I have been learning this language for last year. And okay, let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you that I come from a very small village in Uttar Pradesh, and English was not daily language, and this is something that we have studied in school, and I have studied in Hindi medium school. So there, and I remember there was only one English subject. I was taught English as a subject, not as a language. So this is the reason that I was not this is the reason that I was under the confident while speaking this language. And I still remember my first attempt of speaking over audio call, and I had practice all day. And the moment I started speaking, so I was shivering, my voice was shaking, and suddenly disappeared. And I remember that I mumbled three and four sentences in English, and after that I disconnected the call. And then I decided then I told myself that I will never speak English again. Even though I have tried many times to talk on audio call, but every time I felt I couldn't talk, and I couldn't speak even 4 and 5 sentences in English. Then I told myself that I will never speak in this language. And but deep down, I wanted to learn this language. I wanted to speak in this language. I wanted to express myself. I wanted to stop thinking small every time if someone spoke fluently. So then I started learning this language in silence, watching English videos over YouTube with subtitle, listening a lot and a lot. I used to listen many hours, and listening really helped me a lot to comprehend English sentences. Then I started recording myself speaking and delete it immediately, because I, you know, I I hated how I sounded. So that was the reason that I just spoke, and in no time, like after listening how I am how am I sounding, then I deleted all the videos which I have recorded at that time. And yes, I there were some people who judged me, and who said that you will never be fluent, and some laughed when I mispronounced word. But I and I had conversation. Then one day I realized English is just a language, not a certificate of intelligence, not a measure of worth. Then I started, then I started chasing perfection and started embracing my journey. I began speaking slowly, even though I made many mistakes. But I think I have learned so much from my mistakes, because when you do make mistakes, and if you are able to rectify your mistakes, and if you really want to correct your mistakes, so I would say mistakes is a big teacher that can improve you a lot. In this way you will be able to improve a lot. So I just want to say, don't afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are common. Mistakes are a part of learning this language. I think no one is able to learn anything in this world without making mistakes. Everyone make mistakes, and we all learn from mistakes. So just make sure that you will learn from your mistakes, and you will make sure that now I have made this mistake this time, and I will not commit these mistakes ever again. I will make new mistakes, but I will not repeat the same mistakes. Just make sure and speak no matter what. It doesn't matter how tired you are, how busy you are, and what are you going through, and whether you are feeling like to talk or not. It doesn't matter, but the thing is truly matter, you have to speak every single day, even if it's just 15 minutes, but you have to show up every single day, because I firmly believe that without speaking, no one will be able to speak English. You will be able to speak English by speaking. There is no shortcut, there is no secret of speaking this language, and there is no other way of speaking English. So if you really want to speak, so you have to speak no matter what. Okay, so and I made so many mistakes, but I also learned. And the most important thing I did, that I stopped being ashamed of my journey. I started embrace my progress, and then I am still learning this language, but now I would say, and I am pretty sure that I can speak with confidence. I make video that I help other who they who are they feel the same. I once did. So I'm sharing this story because I know there are so many people, they feel the same. They are scared of speaking. They are afraid of being judged, and being and being sound weird in this language. It's I think it's very common when you start something new. So of course people always criticize you, but you do not need to pay attention those people. You just you just be stick with your journey. And that is the reason that I really want to share my story, because there are so many people, they feel stuck and they are just give up, that people people judge them, and people mock them, and people made fun of them. So just because of avoiding, just because of people, they are give up. So you don't need to do in this way, because people will come and say and then go. So I would say people, you shouldn't give the power to people. They can hold you back. So that is why I really want to share this story. And yeah, I think I have struggled a lot in this journey. It was not easy at all, but with dedication and with consistency and with hard work, I think I am able to speak in this language. So if you really want to speak in this language, so you just have to show up every single day, and you have to speak every single day, and somewhere you should be dedicated and disciplined. And yeah, that's all I want to say in this video. And if you really like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe. It really gives me motivation that I can make more and more videos.